We all need and use our cars daily, but sometimes things don't go as planned and you end up in an accident, and that can definitely ruin your day. If that happens, we want you to know that we have one of the top-rated collision centers in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and we care about your car as much as you do. We have direct relationships with many insurance companies, and our #1 priority is getting you back on the road with a properly repaired vehicle. Do us a favor and Google Dallas Collision Center and see what our clients have to say. We think you'll be impressed. We work on all makes and models, even aluminum vehicles. Just know this, we're here if you need our help, and when you call us, things get easier. And if you need a rental, we have an enterprise on site for your convenience, with preferred rates for our clients. And remember, your insurance company can't tell you where to repair your car. That's totally your choice. So give Dallas Collision Center a call today and tell them Lee sent you.